Hook. Did you know that Golden Hour has become one of the most played songs on Roblox? Music in games doesn't just make the experience more enjoyable, it can take your gameplay to the next level. Today I'm going to show you how to play Golden Hour on the Roblox piano in just minutes. Introduction. Hey, piano enthusiasts! If you're looking to impress your friends or just add a beautiful tune to your Roblox piano repertoire, Golden Hour is the perfect choice. This song has captured the hearts of millions, and now you can bring it to life on your virtual piano. Ready to dive in? Let's get started. Presentation of Problem Challenge. Now I know what you're thinking. Learning a new song on the piano, especially in a game like Roblox, can be pretty daunting. It's easy to get lost in the notes and timing, and you might feel like you'll never get it right. But don't worry. With a bit of practice and the right approach, you can master Golden Hour and wow your friends. Exploration development. Let's break it down. We'll start with the melody, which is the most recognizable part of Golden Hour. The notes you'll play are C, E, G, and A. Simple, right? Make sure to get comfortable with these notes first. Next, we move on to the chords. You'll be using C major, E minor, and A minor. Take your time with each chord and practice transitioning smoothly between them. Timing is crucial, so listen to the song a few times to get a feel for the rhythm. A handy tip for beginners. Start slow and gradually increase your speed as you get more confident. Climax, key moment. Now let's put it all together. Here's a quick run-through of the chorus. Play segment of Golden Hour. See how it all comes together? With these steps you can play Golden Hour flawlessly. Conclusion summary. So, to recap, learn the melody, practice the chords, and get the timing down. With some dedication, you'll be playing Golden Hour on the Roblox piano in no time. Call to action, CTA. I'd love to hear how you get on, so drop a comment below with your progress. And if there's another song you'd like to learn, let me know. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tutorials. Until next time, happy playing.